Meaning of fetishistic.
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 Fetishistic. The term fetishistic refers to an intense and often irrational fascination or obsession with an object, body part, or non-human entity. This type of fixation may lead to sexual arousal or gratification and is considered a form of fetishism. Individuals who engage in fetishistic behavior may have difficulty forming meaningful relationships and may experience feelings of shame or guilt. While some fetishes may be harmless, others can have harmful consequences for the individual or those around them. It is important for individuals experiencing fetishistic urges to seek professional help if they are causing distress or interfering with daily life.